Hey guys, welcome back. I did see the trailer. It's going to take a long time for me to edit and put it up, so please be patient. So, we've got a bunch of steps to climb. Today we are waterfall hunting. The first one we're looking at is, what's it called?
Mingo Falls.
Mingo Falls. Let's just hope Jedi doesn't fall down these stairs, because there's a lot of them. And we got a long way to go. We're completely out of focus here.
We're about halfway.
Alright, about halfway up the stairs. There we go. Yeah, see?
Cold enough out here you can see your own breath.
I guess my air isn't hot enough.
Look toward the sunshine and do it.
Nope, can't see it.
I can see mine.
The waterfalls and the thick trees remind me of Adventureland at Disneyland.
I'll live in a Disney World.
Well, still Adventureland. They have that at the Magic Kingdom. Thick, jungly areas.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, the back of my legs.
Can you imagine going back down?
Oh. Well, we can take a nice long break at the top. Okay?
Sounds good to me.
Oh my gosh, that hurts.
Welcome to Mingo Falls, everyone.
How high is it?
120 feet from top to bottom.
Oh my lord.
Neither of us have ever seen this fall before.
I've never seen a waterfall this big in person before. I mean, a real one. Hey guys, so the next 3 waterfalls we tried to see, they were all off the same road, and let's just say that road was Deliverenceville. The roads were nasty, so we're heading to another waterfall on our list, which is on the other side of the hills, I think. It's anywhere. It's somewhere else. So hopefully that one turns out to be good. So see you there. All right. These are Soko Falls. Kind of a drive to get up here, but I'd say it was worth it. It was paved at least.
Yeah. There's no parking, but at least we got here.
Yep. And there's a trail all the way to the bottom, but it's pretty treacherous. Oh, that's just beautiful though. Nice. Oh, nice. Look at it, just raining leaves. Alright, we made it to the lower part of the falls, but look what we had to come down and look what we have to go back up. This is not going to be easy, but I know we can do it.